Hi, I'm Nicole C. Dacilio. I'm a student who is passionate about technology, creativity, and working with others. Today, I'll be sharing more about myself, my interests, my skills, and why I believe I can be a great fit as your intern. One of my biggest passion is playing games, whether on PC or Android. I enjoy the challenge and creativity that games bring. They've taught me how to focus, how to strategize, and how to keep trying until I succeed, which I also apply in real life. My dream is to become a front-end developer, creating apps that are not only functional but also user-friendly and visually appealing. I want to build projects that people will actually enjoy using, and this internship is a step forward achieving that dream. I have skills in coding and design, but what I value most is problem solving. When I face challenge, I don't give up easily. I like to think of creative ways to make things work better, especially in projects where teamwork and innovation are needed. I believe team collaboration makes ideas stronger. I enjoy working with the others, listening to their ideas, and sharing my own. I'm approachable, helpful, and also supportive, which is make it easier for the people to collaborate with me and achieve common goals. Success for me is a continuous journey, like climbing a ladder. Each step I take represents the skills I've learned, the challenges I've overcome, and the progress I've made. I keep moving forward because I want to reach to the top. Reaching success also means learning how to adapt. I can adjust to new situations, work with different kinds of people, and handle challenges with flexibility. This helps me to stay focused and continue moving towards my goals. You should choose me because I'm adaptable and bring fresh knowledge. As a front-end developer, I use new technologies to modern design and user-friendly apps while still valuing traditional methods. With this balance, I can share new ideas, work well with the others, and grow while helping the company succeed. My goals fit with the company because I'm not just looking for experience. I just want to be a part of projects that matter. As a front-end developer, I can bring fresh ideas while also learning and improving. This internship is two-way process where I grow and also give back my effort to the team. Defending our capstone was a big achievement that tested my skills and teamwork. It gave me confidence to face real challenges. Now, I'm ready to bring that same dedication as an intern. I may be still be learning, but I'm hardworking, adaptable, and always willing to give my best. Thank you for your time.